It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about shaped bottom rails. Now, when it comes to base cabinets, you are going to be seeing them in a variety of different areas within your house. You'll see them in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your laundry room. With that, you are going to have different looks and styles in each of those rooms. Something that's become increasingly popular within cabinetry and something that really makes it custom is not only having your standard recessed toe kick and having different options that give you that custom furniture look. So we are able to accomplish the different looks that you are after via using different types of toe kicks. So like I said, there's your standard recessed toe kick. Another option that we have is extended legs. That means your stiles run all the way to the ground and give you those legs. Another option is to have a flush toe, meaning that the bottom rail just goes all the way to the floor and there's no recessed part. We also have legs that you can install, or feet rather, that you can put on your cabinets and give it a real furniture look. Or another option that we offer, and what we're looking at today, is shaped bottom rails. So as you can see here, there is a piece of wood added, giving it this round over. There are 6 different shaped bottom rail options that we offer. There is Roman, there is classic, and then elegant 1 and 2, and traditional 1 and 2. We are looking at traditional 2 here, and we really recommend traditional or elegant 2 because with that, your bottom rail is going to match the rest of your cabinet. So what I mean by that is, if you look at the Roman or you look at the classic, the way that it is shaped, it has a thicker bottom rail and it won't align then with the rest of your cabinet. So if it's a one-off, it looks great, but if it's in a run of cabinets, you might run into just a little variety there in the size of your bottom rail. The other hard thing too with those 2 styles, particularly the Roman and the classic, is you don't have a lot of room for your feet to actually go underneath. There's not a lot of toe kick room. With the elegant and traditional 2, you have this other option of being able to split it over multiple cabinets. So on my left here, you see that this is all just one cabinet and this is one continuous piece. But then looking over here, this is going to be on an island, and this is the left side and the right side of the island. So there's actually going to be multiple cabinets that go in between here. But as you can see, putting them together, it gives you that look that you're after. You're able to almost have bookends, if you will, on your run of cabinets. But you can also do it just on your regular single cabinet like we have here. This is an apron sink. This is going to be sticking out further than the rest of the cabinet run, giving it some depth as well as just that nice furniture look there with the shaped bottom rails. You're also able to add these to the side of your cabinet. So when it's at the end of a run on an island or maybe at the end of a console center, something like that, you are also able to have these cutouts on your cabinet sides. It's worth mentioning as well, behind here is not the finished look. Once these cabinets are installed, they'll get the toe kick, which will be matching to the cabinet here. So don't worry about this plywood back here. Once it's installed in the finished look, you're never gonna see it. But for base cabinets, we have all these options here, and they are able to help you achieve that custom look that you are after. So if you have any questions about shaped bottom rails, you can talk to your cabinet coach, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.